Hi, hello, welcome to my new video. In this video, we are going to re-unbox this Senti toy. So let's check the box. So this is the toy model. Let's unbox it. Now, let's go to the car. This is the second gen Maruti Suzuki Swift Dzire. Dzire is the topmost favorite sedan of Indians, and Dzire is the top selling sedan in India. And this is the 1:30 scale model. So this is a non-licensed product, but it looks realistic. It looks pretty cool. And this is a pullback action car. Moreover, this car has a realistic interior with a good cabin. I have customized the cabin. So if you like the video, please click on the like button. And if you want to buy this car, please check the description for purchase link. Subscribe my channel for more new videos and click on the notification bell to get notification of my new videos. Thanks for watching my video.